Hi, welcome to this demonstration of solar powered battery charger with reverse current protection. Now, this is a project where we use a solar panel which is charging rechargeable cell batteries, which are AA batteries. So what the solar panel does is it simply provides the power that it is receiving from the sun, and we have this reverse current protection so that if the battery is charged and suppose that there is a short circuit towards the solar panel side, then it will block those charges so that the battery is protected and also the solar panel is protected. So let us see how the project works. So we are bringing a light source closer to the solar panel. You can see that the LED starts glowing. So in this state, the solar panel is providing the charge to charge the battery basically. So in this way the solar panel charges the battery, and whenever the charge is full, you can simply from a multimeter check the voltage and remove the battery when it's fully charged. So in this way the project works. Thank you.